Well, hello everybody. It's Steve Tristan here with
Aidan.
So today we ran into a little bit of a problem. Our drill press, the wires came undone. Somebody had repaired it before, and the wires don't match. So what are we gonna do? The wires are green, black, and white on this side, and brown, yellow, and some weird blue. And looking at it, I feel just more comfortable not using this plug and just attaching a new plug. So we went over to Lowe's and picked up a new plug. It's still here in the package. So we're gonna go ahead and teach Aidan how to just attach it to here. We'll attach an extension cord to it. Just because we just need to get this drill press running again, okay? Okay, so now that I have my safety glasses on, why don't we get started? So I can see you now. Wow. Any comments on this project?
No.
No? Have you done this before?
No.
No.
Yeah.
This is brand new, yeah. Electrical. Honestly, I don't like dealing with electrical usually. Just because in my past I've gotten shocked before. But you have to be really careful and know which wires are which. So I've consulted with an electrician, somebody that we know, and he told me which wires go where when attaching this. So we'll show you how to do that. Okay, guys? Let's go ahead and get started. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so am I. Okay, and so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open the package. So go ahead and open the package. So we show closer.
Mm-hmm.
We have basically it's a heavy duty armored plug. It's a simple brand that we got from Lowe's. You probably picked the same one up at Home Depot or any other hardware store. So go and open it. This is really going to be trash now. So okay. Okay, so the first thing you do is just make sure you're in the shot. Okay, you're good.
I'm going to unscrew this.
Yeah, you're gonna unscrew it. Yep. So just unscrew it. No, that's a number 2. You just pulled out a number 1. See, look. This is PH1. See that?
Mm-hmm.
That's a number 1 screwdriver. This is a number. Oh no, it's still a number 2, I believe. Oh wait, see the other side of the other one. So number 2. Okay, so that's another video in itself. What's the difference between a number 1 and a number 2 Phillips screwdriver?
The size?
Yeah, that's the size. So you have a different size screw for a different size. Okay, that's better. Okay, so go ahead and start again.
Okay, take it out very slowly.
Correct. And then what you're going to do is you're going to slide this one into here. So we're going to take these and we're going to pull them all close together so it could slide through. And then just pull it up. There you go. So we have a little room and we can attach it later. Separate all the wires. Okay. And then if you see here, now the wires that you're looking at here, do you remember what the electrician told us? It was, what is black?
Black is hot.
Which is also known as a positive, right?
White is neutral. And green is ground.
Correct. So that means you have a screw here that is brass, a screw that is silver, and one that is green.
Mm-hmm.
So how does each of these wires go to each of these screws?
The hot goes to the brass.
Right.
The neutral, the white, goes to the silver.
Okay.
And then the green, which is the ground, goes to the green screw.
Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna hold it for you instead, or you got it? You got it. Show the camera. Okay, so make sure it's tightened down. All right. Tight? Good deal?
Yeah.
Okay, and then you have your next wire is going to be the silver, right?
Mm-hmm.
And tighten it down. Okay, don't over tighten it. I'm gonna break it. The green wire now. You're too tight. Yeah, no, don't listen to it. You're fine. Then the green. Oh, you turn the plate. There you go. Come over here a little more. You're not center. Hey, come. There you go. Push it in. Okay, so they're all on?
Yep.
All attached? So you could show them an example here. We got the green is on the green, the black is on the brass,
and the white is on the silver.
Okay. So you slide this down, and then you'll attach the screws from the bottom.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay.
So now, so this doesn't slide at all. What you do is you tighten these down. That's a flathead screwdriver. So, and it looks like it's possibly, it might be number 2. Try this. It might be number 1. So try the number 2. That's a number 2. Whoa! What did you just do?
Plug it in.
Oh, you're awesome. Okay, so go plug it into the wall. Okay, so let's hear. Does it work? Wow! It actually works. Woo! What do you think? Good. Okay, everybody. So that's what did we just do? Wow, I'm getting old. I just forgot what we did. What video did we just shoot? How to what? Attach the plug.
Attach a plug onto wire.
Correct. And we repaired our drilling, milling machine that we use here at our house. Mm-hmm. So, guys, thank you for watching our video. We really appreciate it. And make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to make a comment, that would be great. If there's any kind of videos you want to see, plus let us know. We're going to be coming out with a lot of more new videos on how-to and DIY, right?
Right.
Any other comments? DIY, Aidan? Mm-hmm. Is that your new first name, DIY? No?
No.
Oh, come on, Aidan. All right. So thank you very much. Take care, and God bless.
Catch you guys next time. Bye.
You got to be happier than that. Do it again.
Catch you guys next time. Bye.
Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, and select the alert notification so that way you guys can see any new how-to videos we have coming out. Thank you.